Hello, I'm Jason from the Dental Equipment Repair Channel. Today I want to give you a quick tip about a simple way to move a dental delivery unit off of the unit and into storage. There are times where you need to separate a dental delivery unit from a chair, like for during a move or some sort of reflooring project, or maybe you are upgrading your dental unit and you need to remove the old unit and get it out of the building somehow. Typically what we would do is we would pull the old unit and we would lay it down on the ground or try to pick it up and manhandle it out the door, and usually an arm is swinging. If there's a light on it, the light is flinging around and it can be kind of a mess. So today I'm going to show you a simple way to use something that is around the office that will make the job a lot easier. Let's get started. The first things that we're going to need for this process are an old stool and a hammer. Step one is to take your assistance stool and to turn it upside down, and to take a hammer and to free the top of the assistance stool. If it's this style, this is just simply press fit, and you just hit it with a few sharp hits. Next, wheel the stool to the dental chair. Prior to moving your dental unit, be sure to wrap the arm and delivery unit head with shrink wrap. Try to get everything as contained as possible. Next, you want to use your Allen wrench to loosen your set screws that hold the pole onto the chair post adapter. Now in this example, we don't have any umbilical going through the center of the chair post adapter. If you do have this umbilical going through and the chair is to be scrapped, you can go ahead and cut the umbilical, but if it is going through and you need to keep that intact, this process might not work. Next, you want to carefully lift the delivery unit up and put it on top of the exposed portion of the stool. Once you put the delivery unit onto the chair cylinder, the delivery unit should be balanced and steady. If it appears that the chair may fall down, adjust the arm until you're able to achieve a balance. If you're unable to achieve a proper balance, do not let go of the chair and delivery unit assembly until you get to your destination. With the delivery unit on the chair cylinder, it can now be wheeled to wherever you need to move it or set aside for storage. If you intend to reinstall the delivery unit on another chair, simply push the chair base next to the dental chair you want to install it on, lift the delivery unit, and set it in place.